turning our focus, our intention, our power to the idea of spiritual community, to the idea of organized, being part of an organization. And what does that give you? What does that provide for your life that matters? So now we're to the developing ourselves part. Okay, that's what we do here in Unity. You know, originally when there started to be people that left the central core of Unity School of Christianity, which was out in Kansas City, and they started teaching people and training them and giving them credentials to go out and lead on their own. They did not consider that those people were going out to create churches. They considered that they were going out to create centers of spiritual education, not religious education, spiritual education. Learning about the unseen realm of consciousness that we have the power to wake up to awaken and invest our awareness into greater and greater empowerment to demonstrate this reality in our day-to-day lives. That's what Unity is, right? Would you agree? You know, I'm starting to think about, when we're going to be able to gather again. And I'm envisioning a whole day long reunion day festival on a Sunday when we come back and we have activities throughout the day. And we feature the key people in our congregation who have leadership skills and rituals and sacred dance and earth-based spirituality and cooking and sharing our gifts for an extended reunion celebration. Can you imagine that coming about here? Could you see it? When we can all just be together and what I call love on each other the way we used to do.